Hey y'all, welcome back for another video. Today you guys, I'm going to be getting this kitchen all straightened up. As you can see from this clip right here, this kitchen is in a mess. I have a big massive mess, you guys, and I hope that you guys are here with me so you can get all of the good motivation to get up and get something done around your home, as well as watching this video for later. Yeah, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and get into this video.
Something real. Maybe if I stay the night, you could feel the same. And maybe if you treat me right, we could rearrange.
Okay, you guys, as you can see, I am starting out over here by the stove. I'm going to get in here and get these counters all cleaned off and put things in their respective places. And the cleaning product I'm going to be using is this Lysol peroxide cleaner. So I'm going to be using that throughout this video. Also, you guys, thank you guys so much for always coming back for another video. For the ones who don't know me, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Natara, and over here I like to do cooking, cleaning, organizing, and a sprinkle of decor every now and then. And also on Wednesday nights, we do have church service over here as well. So if any of this interests you, please consider subscribing to the channel. I would love to have you as a part of my YouTube family. So right here, you guys, I'm using that Lysol cleaner. It doesn't have bleach in it. It has the peroxide, and really and truly, I love this cleaner. It gets the stains out of the counters. It cleans so well.
If I could pull you closer to me, babe, ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe, ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure from you. A little closure, babe. Oh, a little closure. Little closure from you. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe, ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe, ain't nobody touch me like you can.
Okay, you guys, now we have made it over to the other side of the kitchen. I'm going to do the same exact thing over here, put everything in its prospective place, and then I will proceed to put away the dishes in the dishwasher, and then I will continue on to wash the dishes and place them in the dishwasher as well.
Now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake now, you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no.
Okay, you guys, I had to stop in the middle of cleaning and fix my husband something for lunch. As you can see, I have my rice cooker out, but I put my broccoli in there to steam the broccoli because it has a steamer as well for it. So that's what I have in this rice cooker right here is some broccoli, and you'll see later on down the line what I paired it with.
Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no words no more, no. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now.
Okay, you guys, I had to take a little break from cleaning. As you can see right here, I just took the grilled pork chop that I cooked on yesterday. I placed it on a plate and I heated it up in the microwave. And right here, I'm just taking out that broccoli and putting it on a clean plate. And then I'm going to take the pork chop, and voila, it's lunch.
But honestly, I came with my girls, wanna dance by ourselves. Can't you tell? Baby, baby, I have thick skin. Yeah, I don't let things get to me. But do you want me to spell it out for you right now? I'm not feeling your vibe. Crystal clear that you're head over heels, but don't come any closer, my dear. Cause when I get mad, I cannot control what might happen. You think you can put your hands on my body. I'm no damsel in distress. Come too close, I might just lose it. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I think you're messing with the wrong girl. I bring the thunder, haven't you heard? But honestly, I just wanna dance with my girls here tonight. No man by our sides. Crystal clear that you're head over heels, but don't come any closer, my dear. Cause when I get mad, I cannot control what might happen. You think you can put your hands on my body. I'm no damsel in distress. trust. Come too close, I might just lose it. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. Knock you down like...
Thank you so much to Simply Cool Things for sending me this Tupperware. You guys, this Tupperware has 4 compartments in it. It actually has 4 airtight sealed containers in it. So I'm just going to be using 2 for my Isopure protein. This right here is the Tropical Punch that I'm placing in there now. And you guys, it is so good, especially when you have it ice cold. And then I'm going to take the other one and put the non-flavored Isopure protein in there. And you guys, these containers are very sturdy. They doesn't have any air bubbles or anything in it. Once you put the top on it, it is sealed. Nothing can get inside of it, and that's what I like about it. So yeah, you guys, thank you so much to Simply Cool Things for sending me this. I will have the coupon code going across the screen, you guys, as well as in the description box. So if you would like to get this container, you guys, you will not be disappointed. As you can see, you can use all 4 of those, and then you can use the other container for something else. And right here, Jada decided that she wants to come and fix her some lunch. So that's what she's doing right here, making her a taco salad.
They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. The sun is getting warmer. Oh, when we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border. Oh, when we're floating up like helium.
Thank you guys so much for coming back for another video. I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
Set me up like lemonade. We both know it's